Ben K, any tips for dealing with Colorado potato beetle? I grew potatoes a couple years ago and they weren't my priority crop, so I put them in a less ideal spot, and that was a little gravely. They got devastated by potato beetles. I tried to squish by hand, but they ate like 90% of the foliage within a few days. I've been reluctant to grow potatoes since. So yeah, a couple things, depending on how many you're growing. If you are growing a small amount, you can just go and manually pick them and, give your kids like a nickel or a penny or something for everyone they get. Put them in a jar with like soapy water or something, and then just throw them in there and they'll die. You can squish them. It's disgusting because they're so juicy. I've certainly done that in the past. Or you can go and get an organic spray, like either a BT or what do they use? Is it BT or what's the other one called? Entrust, I think, is the one that guys use on potatoes. So yeah, those basically. And with potato beetles, if it's the first time you're growing potatoes in a field, you probably won't get them too bad. But if you've grown them many times in that field, you will start to notice them. And you just got to go through and look for them and get them before they become a problem. And fortunately for us, they've never been really bad here. Having said that, I'm going to go look and see if I can find any, because you got to just get on them quick and then just be consistent, and then it won't be a problem. But again, it depends on how much you're growing. If you're doing a lot, then you're probably just going to want to look at some of those organic sprays, because that's just the reality of it. Or you could put them under an Agribon or a Rime fabric or insect netting or something like that.